Hi guys! Good evening! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Beshi Beth Lifestyle channel. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Royal Hong Kong Yacht Clubs. Yes guys. Pero nandito ako in the back. So ito. That one is TST. Yes. Kasi on the back to, yung front is over there. Mamaya papakita natin. Eto. Na-amaze lang kasi ako dahil napakaganda guys. Wow! Walang kagandahan talaga guys. Makikita nyo sa likod ko. Yan po ang TST Harbor. And yung po naman is going to Central. Yan. As you can see, yan oh. IFC yan. Charot. Yes. Taking photos muna ako. Ganda. Hindi ako guys pwedeng hindi kumuha ng photos kasi napaka-ganda. Yes guys, so itutuloy ko mamaya. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Dito po tayo ngayon guys sa Royal Yacht Clubs here in Causeway Bay. Kaya nga eh. So dito guys naman ang kanilang hallway. This is for the staff place. Look at it. This is all those photos here. Yan. Hiningal ako sa pag-akyat. So, dito guys naman ang entrada. Oh, look at this one. Meron ang core. Yan, ang kanilang signature. Yan, because of course, signature. Why? Kasi is yacht clubs. Yan, there you go. Sa tasing word mo?
FNB ako.
So, dito ang kanilang gardens.
Hanapan, maghanap na kasama.
Okay, so ito yung mga trophies nila. Look guys. Okay. So dito naman ang lobby.
Hindi, sa room.
Oh.
Nagtutur sa mga gusto kong makita.
Halika, mag-tour tayo. Habang ikaw ay nakaano dyan. Hello sir, good evening. Yes. Ayan, itutur tayo ni Norla. Oh, ganda day. Ganda rito. Oh, look at the sea here in the back view. Yeah. Itur tayo ni Norla. Ayan. So, dito tayo galing sa bar. Alright, thank you dear. So, dito ka naka-assign?
Akala ko aabot ang dito.
So, this is their place, guys. Ang ganda naman dito. Look at it. Kitang-kita mo ang ating... that one is area ng ano na yan. I think that one is Harbor City ng... Oh! Yan siya. Yeah, and that one is the Central over there. Ganda guys. Saan? Anong area na to? Simsatchoy. Simsatchoy. And that one is Central. TST.
Central there.
Oo, dito yung Central. Kung saan yung ano, yung counting.
Dito.
Pwede ko muna ibaba yung bako dito. Oh, ito yung mga yate. Sorry, sir.
Wala akong kasama dito. Ako lang. Kaya nga, ikaw gusto ko ipasok.
Yes, ganda dito, Day. Oo, kuha ko na siya. So this is the yacht club at night here. This is all their surrounding here. This is area. Look at it. Very cozy, guys. Amazing, nice one. Kaganda, look. Oh, ako enjoy dito. Kahit guest lang ako rito. Look, oh, my drinks. Oh, di ba? Oh, enjoy. Ang ganda ng location, darling. Oh. Tapos mga kasamahan pa natin dito, puro mga puti. Mga CEO, or di ba? CEO dito. Yes. Oh, yan oh, mga CEO yan oh. Yes, oh. Yan guys. Look at it. Oh. Ganda rito paggabi, eh. Ganda ng tanawin. Look at that one. This is Central. Yan. Look at those lights. Beautiful. Oh, tignan nyo. Meron din silang sliding. Yan, for children's playground. Sa baba. Then, this is the stairs way. Go out there, go downstairs. Oh, ayun si Lorna. Oh, ayun siya. Oo, nakuha ko na siya. Okay, it's starting now. Yan. Starting now this symphony lights here in Hong Kong. Every 8 o'clock here in Harbor. So they have that different kinds of lights. Yan, different colors, I mean. Yan, pagandaan sila ng colors of lights sa mga buildings. Look. I know wala na naman siya. He's gone. So I will wait na naman few minutes. Oh, yun. Oh, pa isa-isa.
Tingnan mo yung bar namin. Tingnan mo yung bar.
Alin?
Tingnan mo yung
Bar?
bar.
Okay. I just leave it this one na. So punta ko daw yung bar. Ayan. Kunin ko nga yan. Around the island race. Guys, look at that Rolex. Oh. Pangarap ko yan.
Ano Rolex? Pakalagoy.
Kayo po ba yung mama ni Kingsley?
Ha?
Kayo po yung mama ni Kingsley?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm the mommy of Nick Kingsley. Kami mo? You remember me? Yes, see? What a small world.
Sabi ko nga, ano din yan nag-work sa bahay? Pero kaibigan ko.
Yeah.
Ang bar namin.
Yeah, it's quite big naman siya, no?
Antique.
Oo.
Ilang na yung loob dito. Yung chapel. Nasa mo ka habang inisan natin.
Ah, dito yung dinaanan natin.
Pwede ka na umupo dito.
Oh, mas malamig nga dito.
Upo ka lang doon.
Oh, look at it. Oh, wow. It's like a wood. Look at this chair. Stone. And then this is wood. Look at the panel. is the round table, but down is a panel, guys. Nakaka-amaze naman. Yan o, panel of the ship or a yacht. Tapos yung flower vase nila, look at the flower. Is original siya, guys, pero it's a dry one. It's not a plastic. It's real, but it's already dry. They preserve it, I think, yeah. Sabi ko na nga, I remember our family club in Nigeria. We have also this Chinese na newspaper, and then the magazine. Yeah, that one, club room. And then we have also snooker. I used to play also snooker before. And tennis at the same time. Yes, and we have also a swimming pool. So we can also swimming afterward. So gather with friends. Look at it. Wow. Very quiet, very peaceful. Look. Oh, I knew it. This one is the convention center. Yeah, that area is Wanchai. And that tall building is the IFC. Look, guys. Yan. Wow, very beautiful scenery. Look behind me. Behind me. Yes, guys. Beautiful. Wow, I can hear also the breeze of the water. Look at the breeze of this water. Yeah, to. Dito ako naglalakad minsan. Diyan ko gina-jogging yan.
Pag uwi mo, pwede ka na baba dyan. Pwede ka na duma dyan.
Oh, dire-diretso na yan. Oo, pwede naman kasi, look at, tama naman kasi ang shoes ko very comfy. I use my Istako na flat shoes.
Tama, diba?
Yan na lang, okay, gano'n, diretso.
Huwag ka na pumasok doon, dito ka na. Walang bakit. Toilet.
So, this is the toilet. Oh, at least mayroong pang sofa.
Pag alam mo na bumaba.
Oo.
Pag kung ayaw mo naman mag-stairs, mag-escalator ka, 3.
Okay.
Papunta sa baba.
Alright, sige. Ayoko mag-escalator. Gusto mag-adventure. Maglakad na lang ako.
Tama lang.
Yes. So, this is the chat room, main bar, main deck, and sailing center.
Busy na ako.
Sige, go ahead. Oo. Thank you. Ayan. Ganda, guys, dito. Oh, yun na ang boat. Oh, I see. Naglalayag na siya. Oh. Look, oh. Yes, guys. So, there I am. Dinig na dinig ko, guys, ang alon. Napakasap sa pakiramdam, guys. Oh, napaka-peaceful, very calm. Look, maliwalas. Tapos, ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin dito. Tapos, ang tanawin, napakaganda. Beautiful like you guys. See? This is the perfect timing. I came here in, Yacht Club. Hong Kong Yacht Club. Here in Causeway Bay. Ganda, guys. Okay, pasok muna ako. Inumin ko muna yung inumin ko. Wow, look at the small boat, oh. Wow. Yeah, I got it. Yan. Beautiful. that one is the traditional, ano. Yun. Yes. I love it. Gusto ko siya. Wow, beautiful. Look guys, talaga, oh. Ganda. Nice one. Look at that. Yan. Ganda ng tanawin. Nakaka-relax. Look, nakaantabay lang yung mga yate doon, oh. Ayan. Yes, beautiful. Look at. Yes. That is night here in Royal Hong Kong Yacht Club. Yes, guys. Ito naman. Oh, yun naman sa taas. Diyan yung dining. They have also some ano diyan, music. Pero piano lang. Parang ayaw ko nang umalis dito, ah. Ito si Kuya, nagre-relax, nagbabasa. Buti mabasa pa niya, madilim. Very relaxing, guys. Oh, kita ko, yun pala ang K11. Yan. Yan, guys. Oh, yan ang K11. Yan. Ay, meron din doon sa labas yun, o, sa baba. Later, pupunta ako dyan. Oh, that one is the small one, guys. Pero pag malayo, ganun na, oh. Pero pangkuha ko pa rin siya. Look. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Ang dami. Dumadami na sila. Dumadami na, oh. Yun ang malaki. Yun na siya. Medyo malayo na. Oh, sarap ng ano, wave ng ano, dagat. Narinig ko yung breeze niya. Look at it there. Look at the wave. Hindi ko ilalabas yung camera ko baka malaglag. Patay. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. So, habang nanonood tayo, guys, dito sa ano, scenery here in Royal Hong Kong Yacht Club. Yan. So, we having also our coffee. Yan. We having a coffee latte, notch. Ayan, to yung bag ko kasi it just came from work. Oh, yan guys. Hong Kong Yacht Club. Ito si Kuya, nagbabasa kanina pa. So guys. Ow. Have a coffee. Hindi na tayo mag-sugar guys kasi aware tayo sa diabetic. Guys, merong Carla, helicopter. Parang ayaw ka na umalis dito guys. Very relaxing. Doon si Kuya nagbabasa. Wow, look at that boat na naman. Ang ganda guys. Parang gusto ko na rito matulog. Charot! Okay. Coffee muna ako para hindi ako antukin kasi ang sarap pakiramdam. O yun naman ang ulat. Yeah. Yeah, I like it to take photos here because you know this scenery is very beautiful.
Can I take a photograph of you?
You wanna take me?
Yeah.
Okay then, thank you. You want? Sure. Okay, thank you. It's already. Oh, hold on. Yes guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Royal Hong Kong Yacht Club. You can see this here. Wow, carpet. Diba? Para akong si Queen Elizabeth talaga, oh. Hanggang doon. Pagpunta ang second floor to, no? Okay.
Halika na.
Guys, pinakita ko lang.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Thank you. Okay, dito ako sa Causeway Bay, Exit C. And then, ito yung McDonald's. Yung kinainan namin natin Grace ng HSBC, yung nagyamtsahan kami doon. Ito yung grills yan. Kyoto Plaza. Okay, so I'm going here na. Exit C. Ayan guys. So, Kokomoko. Komokomo. Causeway Bay. Sino Plaza. Ayan. Trains. Yun lang pala. Dali lang. Exit C. Exit C, Causeway Bay. Going to Hong Kong Yacht Club. Causeway Bay. Ayan po. See.